How to unlink social club account from Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can unlink social club account from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You can't unlink social club account from Epic Games yourself. You have to contact the support team. So open your browser and go to support.rockstargames.com. Then over here you want to make sure to log into your respective social club account. Then here you can go to account support, then go to Rockstar Games account, then go to account linking. Then over here you simply need to enter your Rockstar Games email from where you want to unlink Epic Games. In the description, just give them an explanation saying that you would like to unlink your respective Rockstar Games account from your respective Epic Games account, and provide them the email addresses and the ID so that they can recognize which account you're talking about. You can choose to upload some image you want, or you can simply go ahead and click the submit web ticket option. Now they will usually get back to you within 24 hours, so you might simply want to wait. If they don't respond, just try it again and again. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.